Hi everyone, so we are solving question 6 of the 2015 P3 Math A-level paper. So let's have a look at this question. So the polynomial 8x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 1, and a and b are constants, is denoted by p of x. Okay, and now we are given that x plus 1 is a factor of p of x, and that the remainder is 1 when p of x is divided by 2x plus 1. Well, find the values of a and b. So essentially what we need to do is that we need two equations for two unknowns. Sorry. And then when a and b have these values, we can then factorize p of x. Okay, let's get started. Well, I'll zoom out. P of x is equal to this, which is given in the question. And we are told that x plus 1 is a factor, right? So x plus 1 is a factor. So what does it mean for x plus 1 to be a factor? Well, it means that p of minus 1 has to be equal to 0. So this gives us our first equation, because you put x equals minus 1 into here, and you obtain your first equation, which is that one. Now, if p is divided by 2x plus 1, sorry, that's a typo here, then you get remainder of 1. What does that mean? Well, it means that p of minus a half is equal to 1. So you set sub x equals to minus a half into p of x. Okay, and then you should get 1. And you get two equations, and you solve those two equations, and you get a equals 6 and b equals minus 3. So it's very easy. Okay, so that's now px. Oops. P of x. Eraser is doing that thing again. P of x. And you don't need that. Right? So now how do we factorize it? Well, we can factorize it by, I don't know why I put equals 0 here. Shouldn't be here. So p of x, well, you know that x plus 1 is a factor. And then this is found by trial and error. So this part is found by trial and error. And essentially, how do you find this? Well, you know that you have to have 8x cubed, and so you know that a term multiplied by x has to be 8x squared, and then following on from this, you already have this term, right? So the next term I like to find is the constant term. So I know it's minus 1 here, and I know that they've given that to us, that x plus 1 is a factor, so this is 1. So here I need to have minus 1. So this is settled, and then I can start looking at these terms here. So how do I obtain plus 6x squared? Well, I already have 8x squared here, so I need to minus 2x. So x times minus 2 of x gives you minus 2x squared, which then combines with the 8x squared here to give plus 6x squared. And in any case, you can multiply out and check for yourselves that you get back p of x, and that should always be done in exams. Just check your answer. Right, so, and then you can factorize this simple quadratic to obtain the final answer. So, very easy question, and see you next time.